welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. Guys, so in today's video, I have been, as I told you, really busy. I have not been able to do a clean and decorate with me, but I did want to share with you just a little bit of a few changes that I made in my family room. Nothing major. I don't change up a lot of things in there. I don't think you need to change up a lot of things in your home for the seasons, like just a few touches here and there. As you can see, I have some fall florals here and some here. And so I just did the same thing in the living room, and I changed out a few pillowcases or pillow covers. I got those new bolster pillows from CB2. I absolutely love those. Oh, and I got some new lanterns from Ross that I want to share with you. So nothing major, just a few little changes here and there that I wanted to share with you today. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so this is how the family room looks. Warm, cozy, moody. You guys know I love a good moody fall vibe. So the only things I did in here is I changed out the floral. We have those florals that I picked up from Michael's. I absolutely love them. I added in some of those dupes for the A floral stems that I absolutely love. So it's a combination of like those moody amber rust tones with the amber colored leaves. Then we have the plum colored with the green. It's a slowly turning to fall type of leaf is what I call it. And then we have those plum stems from Amazon. I think these though actually came from A Floral that I think maybe. No, these are the ones from Amazon. The ones from A Floral look very similar, but they're longer. But this is how this looks. I didn't change anything here. We just have a candle lit. We have our flickering candles from Amazon. Absolutely love them. They give a moody, cozy vibe for fall. The only thing I did change was the accent pillows. I changed it to this rust or cinnamon color brown. Did I say that brown is the new black? Well, I think it complements black. It looks so nice, so luscious here on the couch. Again, creating that moody fall vibe that I am going for in my home for this season. Again, you don't have to make big changes. We just made very little subtle changes. We have our bolster pillows. As you can see, I got two of them, one here and then one here. We got them from CB2. They were on sale. I got them when they were $59 a piece. I don't know that they're still $59. I don't think they are anymore, but I will have them linked in case you are interested. I think it just gives the sofa a whole different look and feel. So I'm glad I picked those up. So that is the living room. And then on this side of the room, also, I just added in more of those florals. Absolutely love how they look over here. Again, going for that moody fall vibe. And you know I have to introduce black. Black is my prominent color here in my home, black and white. So always have to include that. And then I add in pops of color here and there, as you can see, but I absolutely love that. We have these textured pillows that I picked up from Amazon. Absolutely love those. Those bring in the cozy fall vibes with the different textures of the boucle and the faux leather. Again, everything is coming together nicely. I have this throw that I also got from Amazon a few years ago. It's like a peacock type material is what they called it. I try to look for it and it's no longer available, but if I can find it, I will have it linked in my Amazon storefront. And like I said, anything I have that I mentioned came from Amazon. I will have it linked in the storefront, which you can shop 24/7. And when you do, I do get a small commission, so thank you so much in advance for that. But I absolutely love, so this chair is a replica. I forget the brand I did a collaboration with, but I absolutely love it. My boyfriend loves it. It's an egg chair. He sits here all the time. He has his drink here. He watches TV. So absolutely love that. That was perfect. I think I'm going to get another one to go on this side, but because this is a small area, I would have to get a smaller credenza here in the middle. So that is the holdup, because the chair is a little oversized for the space. So I don't know if I want to do that or not. So that is something that I've been thinking about and haven't yet pulled the trigger. These two pieces of artwork, they came from Ashley Home Store. I want to say 2 or 3 years ago now. I absolutely love them. They give me RH vibes, and they were, I'm going to say around $130, I think, or $120 on sale when I got them. If they're still available, I will have them linked as well. These little vases came from H&M Home. Absolutely love them. I love the texture. I love how they look here in the space. The flickering candles, like I said, came from Amazon. The lamps came from Ross a couple of years ago. They were from a high-end store, and guys, I will say, don't sleep on Ross. They are like home goods. Sometimes you can find high-end designer items at Ross for just a fraction of the price, and that is what I did here with these lamps. Now, they did not come with these lampshades. You guys know I love to change out my lampshades. I always change them out to round black drum shades. These drum shades came from Amazon, and guys, why are drum shades, I can't talk. Why are drum shades so expensive now? So I decided I needed another pair, and I went and tried to get some more from Amazon. And originally, I want to say the ones I got were pricey because they were 17 inches by 18, I believe. So $100 the first time, but now they're like $150. I'm like, what? For 2 drum shades? No. So I haven't been able to get any more. I'm on the hunt, but guys, oh my gosh, everything is so expensive now. But if you like high-end designer looks but don't want to pay the price, check Ross. You can find some really, really nice things there, as well as H&M and Home Goods. You know, I got my Uttermost lamps from Home Goods. You guys have seen those many times before. That wall art came from, what is it? World Market. Many years ago. I don't think it's available any longer, but you can find some artwork at World Market as well. These light fixtures came from Overstock many years ago. So yeah, I just love shopping, you know, inexpensively, but doing so to make my home look and feel a lot more luxurious than it is. So if that's something you're into, make sure you subscribe, so that is what you are going to see on my channel. We didn't change anything over here on the console. It stayed the same, no changes, but again, you can see it's Moody. I should have put something on the TV, but I didn't. But oh well, you get the vibes. Nice nice cozy Moody fall vibes. I love it. And then for the dining room, you guys remember we got these new chairs from Lane. I absolutely love them. I have been on the hunt for a new dining table, and I think I found one, but I just haven't pulled the trigger yet. So I will put up the photo here. I found it on Amazon. I want to say it's around $500. I like the metal base. I told you guys, my boyfriend, he wanted to go with a metal base for the table, and because I'm always the one picking out the decor, I figure, you know what, let's let him pick out something this time, and he loves that table. I did give him a choice between this table and this table that came from Bob's Discount Furniture that I saw on another YouTuber's video, but he said that one was too plain. But I don't know, I think the black and then the gray Chanel chairs would go really well. But then again, I also think the clear glass table and the chrome base would go really well. You guys know I love silver. So you can see, sorry for the glare, like I love introducing silver into my home. That's my touch of glam that I like to say. But I think that would look really, really nice with the chairs as well. So decisions. I haven't pulled the trigger on it yet, so we're still thinking about that. So I did go ahead and accent the table. Previously, we just had this thrifted centerpiece that I picked up while thrifting from the Goodwill. I showed you guys that. All we did was take out things that we didn't like, and then I added in some pine cones to give it a more fall feel. And then recently, while I was out at Ross, I found these little hurricanes, and I love them. And so, I don't know, they just reminded me of something that you might see from CB2 or Pottery Barn, and I haven't taken the tags off yet, I don't think. Is the tag still on here? Yeah, $21.99, guys. This is substantial. It has some weight to it. And with the new tariffs, guys, I thought this would definitely be more than $21.99. Just $22 for this hair. Just $22 for this hurricane. Yes, please and thank you. Again, I feel like it's something that you could find from CB2 or Pottery Barn, possibly even Crate and Barrel, that would cost you 3 times, 4 times as much. So that looks the same. Absolutely love it. So I am loving the Moody fall vibes in my home this year. And yeah, not a lot. Again, I don't think you need to do a lot, but I absolutely love the way it looks. So I know the video has been short and sweet, but I hope it has given you some inspiration for your home this year. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. I have lots of budget-friendly, budget luxury, home decorating inspiration coming your way for Christmas. Yes, Christmas, I know it's a little bit early, but it's never too early because the early bird catches the worm. I showed you guys some things that I saw at Walmart that were really, really nice, and some other places have also put out their Christmas decor. So if you want to get the good stuff, you got to shop now, guys. You got to shop now. So that's the inspiration you'll see on my channel. So if that's something you're into, make sure you subscribe. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.